So how to animate your hair or accessories or things like this without animate it manually for the whole animation. So I'm just gonna use constraint from Blender, and I'm not gonna use plugin like add-on like Springbone, Wigglebone, Bone X, Simplicage, or there's a lot of them add-on, but some of them are paid, some of them are free, and I don't really use it because I know how it works. So yeah, let's just use constraint. And this is for someone who didn't want to explore much yet about Blender and don't want to use like simulation and stuff. Okay, the reason why my bone look like stick is because I set it to stick here. Maybe you will come with different bone, mostly maybe like this, but I like stick. So what you're gonna do is just take the end of the bone and shift select the bone before it, and what you're gonna do now is Control Shift C and choose this one, temp track, and this is the controller. Just reduce it just a bit and then repeat the same for these two bones. Leave the root empty. So why leave the root empty is because it gives you more control on how you want it to move. Now you see that if we move the root one, the other will follow like flowing. This controller here decide how much it gonna flow. So depends on your scenes. Another thing on why to leave this root without ever needing the constraint is when sometimes when you animate that it will overlap it, so you have to fix it manually by manually controlling this root. You can explore more about this constraint and try to experiment with it. For example, I want to have more control before it clips to it like that. So I'm gonna just select this one and I skip this one. I start with this one. So it's still flowing, but in the middle of the scene you can have more control before it clips. longer go through his web. Now let's say if you don't have enough bone like this one, you only have one bone, and what you're gonna shift select, you do not have one. So what I'm doing is just select this bone, go to edit mode, take the edge and press E to extrude it, and then select this part and then just rearrange it back, something like that. Then you can go back to pose mode, and now you can shift select the thing. Another thing on why you should keep your bone here from the constraint is because sometimes your body character didn't have body movement, but you still want it to flow like in the game. And to do that, just animate this root manually. You can slow it down if it's too fast. And before rendering your animation, once done, go to the first frame and just select some random bones and reset the constraint to its original point. And then go to pose, animation, big action. Wait, before that, select all the keyframes, because sometimes when you use this constraint, when you render it, it will have some glitch or some clipping. I don't know why, but to be safe, just select all bones, go to pose, animation, big action, select this three box and set it to pose. Now maybe it takes some time when your animation is too much keyframe stuff, but now this thing is flowing. It's all has its own keyframe in every frame, so it will not cause another clipping. It is better to have all the keyframe for the bone instead of the constraint when you're rendering.